Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best food processors in 2023. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best food processors. The 5th product on our list is Vitamix 12-cup attachment. The Vitamix 12-cup attachment comes as an attachment, making it a perfect option for anyone who already owns a Vitamix base unit. It shines brightest while pureeing, slicing, and mixing dough, making it a great option for pizza lovers. Mix up your pizza crust and let it cool while you whip up some homemade sauce and efficiently slice up any toppings. While we had pizza on the mind during our testing of this model, that's not all it is good for. The mostly even slicing works wonders on easy-to-bruise fruit and vegetables, like tomatoes, and the stellar pureeing makes buttery smooth hummus and dips. Although it is still an investment, it is easy to clean, but won't clean out your bank account. The Vitamix 12-cup is a great food processor, but note that you'll need to already own or purchase the Vitamix blender motor. This product is just an attachment. And while it's excellent at slicing and pro at pureeing, its chopping, shredding, and mixing, aside from pizza dough, capabilities are nothing to write home about. They get the job done, but often require an extra pulse or two. The chopping and shredding also offer somewhat inconsistent sizes. That said, the Vitamix attachment is a great option for anyone who already owns a Vitamix blender and is seeking a well-rounded processor. Up next, in 4th place, is the Hamilton Beach 10-cup. If you want to spend the bare minimum and still get decent performance, then the Hamilton Beach 10-cup is your best bet. This inexpensive model can hold its own for pureeing dips or chopping produce. Its shredding and slicing performance isn't too shabby either. Where this model falls short is mixing. Mixing heavy dough with the weaker motor is not only a struggle, but it causes the entire unit to shake somewhat violently. Additionally, we experienced leaking during our water test. We recommend opting for another model if your recipes are mostly liquid ingredients. Despite these shortcomings, the Hamilton Beach 10-cup is our top choice for those on a strict budget. The 3rd product on our list is the Ninja Professional Food Processor. If you're shopping for a new food processor that won't take up a ton of room in your kitchen or your budget, then we highly recommend the Ninja Professional Food Processor. This appliance's performance in our tests thoroughly impressed us, especially given its bargain price tag. This model did a good job uniformly chopping veggies and incorporating ingredients when mixing dough. However, this appliance truly shined in the shredding and slicing tests, creating even slices and shreds without leaving large chunks of waste, a rarity for budget models. This food processor sounded like it was working quite hard when tasked with mixing pizza dough, though. The dual blade shape and bowl size also mean that making smaller quantities of things like homemade mayo can be difficult. Additionally, the dual blade system can be harder to clean by hand. However, this is a great option for anyone looking for a compact food processor that won't break the bank. The 2nd product on our list is the Cuisinart Custom 14. If you're not comfortable paying such a premium price tag for top-end performance, look no further than the Cuisinart Custom 14. This reliable kitchen appliance earns recognition for its superb performance across the bulk of our tests, all while providing outstanding value with a more reasonable price tag than the highest-end models we tested. It slices vegetables and fruits exceptionally evenly and purees velvety smooth dips and spreads. A drawback of this model is that the slicing and shredding blades aren't adjustable, meaning you'll need to purchase additional blades if you aren't happy with the size of the included ones. It also isn't quite as powerful at mixing denser doughs. Despite these knocks, this is the perfect option if you're seeking a great, all-around food processor without shredding your budget. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Breville Sous Chef 16 Pro. Fending off challengers since 2019 and once again earning our top overall performance, the Breville Sous Chef 16 Pro is easily our favorite food processor. This top-of-the-line kitchen appliance performed well across all of our tests, effortlessly slicing through produce and completing even the most challenging processing tasks. Its 1200-watt motor mixes dough, slices veggies, and shreds potatoes effortlessly. Out of our entire test fleet, this processor is also one of the most convenient models to use and one of the easiest to clean. Perhaps unsurprisingly, such high performance also comes with one of our lineup's highest price tags. The Sous Chef 16 Pro is a phenomenal machine, and we highly recommend it for enthusiast chefs, but it can set you back quite a bit of money and take up a decent amount of valuable counter space. It's a fantastic option for an avid home chef or anyone who will use it frequently, but it can be a bit more machine than the casual cook may need or want. However, if you are searching for the creme de la creme when it comes to choppers, this is our top choice. That's all for our list of the 5 best food processors on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.